Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a brand new Nadine West unboxing with you all. So stick around if you're interested in seeing what came in my Nadine West box this month. So here's my Nadine West bag, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. So here's my paper that tells me everything that came in my bag. And okay, got our little return label in case there's anything we want to send back. So I want to mention that Nadine West is a clothing and accessory subscription box if you've never heard of it. And I have a code down below that you can use to waive your shipping fee for the first time, so you can try it out completely for free, get a box of clothes and accessories sent to your house based on a little quick survey you fill out about the types of clothes that you like, and then they'll send them to you. So it's super fun and it doesn't cost anything to try it the first time. So I have been addicted to it, so I'm going to show you what came in my bag. And I'm going to tell you the prices, because I do feel like this one is a little bit more affordable than, say, Stitch Fix. I've tried Stitch Fix, and while I do think that they have great high quality stuff, most of the time it's not something that I want to pay for. So let's go through here and see what we got. So first up is this striped dress. This is really cute. It's that like flouncy material. I kind of like the way it wraps. That's very cute. It looks like it'll be really flattering on. Very summery, but also because of this mustard stripe in here, I'm thinking I can pair it with black leggings and boots and a cardigan and make it kind of fall-ish. So because I'm in fall mode now, like I'm just done with summer. I know that makes some people mad, but I'm sorry. So this dress is $35.99, I believe. Yes, and it is called Candy Wrapper. Very cute. So moving on, what is this? This is a top. It's another cold shoulder top, which I have made sure to tell Nadine West after every shipment I receive. I make sure to leave feedback, and I have made sure to tell them that I love the cold shoulder tops, and I love this. It's so flowy. I have another one sort of like this in gray, and I mentioned in my last video that I wanted one in every color, so maybe they heard me. That is $26.99, and it is Rose to the Occasion in navy. These are shorts, and as usual I'm thinking they're going to be very short, but they're very, very soft, and I've been collecting some nice shorts that I can sleep in and just hang out around the house in, and I think these are going to be very nice to do that in. They're so soft. They're like LuLaRoe legging soft, if you know what that means. And ooh, they have pockets, which I love that, even for just around the house, just to have my cell phone in while I'm doing stuff. Very cute. I just wish shorts were longer on me. I just have to find shorts that accommodate my height. And then this, so the shorts, these shorts are $19.99, and they're called Roseanne Floral. Now this next thing is a dress, and it is called Mayflowers, and it's $35.99, and it is definitely a short dress. So this is definitely something I would wear with leggings. It's more of a top for me, for sure. It's like got that stretchy fabric up at the top and these cute little sleeves. I think it'd be off the shoulder a little bit. Very cute. And that dress, I think I mentioned, is $35.99. And then last but not least, we have some really pretty earrings. They look pretty anyway. They look kind of like, oh, they're dream catchers. Those are very pretty. Very, very pretty. I thought they were spider webs at first for a minute, like for Halloween. See, I'm definitely in fall mode. Those are very pretty. And I love that they come in these bags. I know I say that every single stinking time, but I love being able to separate my jewelry into these little bags, especially when I travel. They're a little tangled up, but I think I can fix it. Here we go. Those are so cute. So I'm going to get to trying these on for you guys so that you can see how everything fits. And then as usual, I need your opinion, so please make sure to tell me what you think looks the best in the comments down below. These shorts are cute. They're a little longer than I thought they were, so they're not awful. I would wear them like outside, like on a walk. This shirt is very, very cute. Love this detail. I've made it clear to Nadine West that I love the cold shoulder top, so they've continued to send those to me. Definitely love the flowiness of this too. Super cute to wear with jeans or leggings. So it's long in the back, but not as long as I would probably like with leggings, but not awful. And I love just the plain navy blue top that I can easily wear and pair with other things. Okay, so I really like this a lot more than I thought I would. You can see that it is short, but it passes the fingertip test. So it's not as short as I thought it was. I could wear this as a dress, but I probably would still wear leggings or jeans under it and make it more of a top. I think you could probably pull these up like this if you wanted, but I think it's really, really cute off the shoulder. So definitely loving this. Something that could be worn easily with a cardigan and leggings and boots. I'm definitely loving this one. And the colors in it can definitely be used for fall. So I love this one. I'm not totally sold on this dress. I have one of those little sticky bras on right now because I was gonna wear something that was backless. You can see it right here, so I would definitely need to wear a tank top underneath this because this is as low as any bra that I have will go. The length is good, but I'm not necessarily a fan of this one. I don't know why, I'm just not loving the cut, but it is cute, just not loving it. Here are the earrings. I think these are really, really pretty, and I think they look really great with this top. I just feel like it's kind of like a little boho look with the little dream catcher earrings and the floral print. Definitely feel like these are good transition pieces into fall. So thank you all so much for watching this Nadine West unboxing. Definitely check it out for yourself if you've never tried it out, and make sure to use the code down below so you can try it out for free. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.